Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Rwanda 0. I'm joined by friend, my brother Kamabanu Pumagupi.
Uzain.
Yeah.
That's a great Chamalachin.
Yeah.
Whitbank.
Yeah.
Yes.
Last man standing, yeah.
Yeah.
Hugo Pros, my friend.
Yeah.
Hugo Pros, but 3 points lapha abantu bebalinde ukuthi siluze le game.
Yeah.
Bese ke sebathi umkwena.
Yeah.
But ithethe le 3 points.
Yeah.
Uyithethe futhi uHugo Pros ushilo ukuthi asirelaxeni.
Yeah.
Sizoya phambili.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So my last man standing here is Hugo Pros.
Yeah.
Mangabe sihluleka ukuhlonipha uHugo Pros.
Yeah.
Shuthi ngama failures.
Yeah.
Uyibhilile Bafana Bafana. Through what? 3 Pirates of 3 Sundowns of 3 in. Through our players all South Africa. So we must not come here and victory. Sizotema ilo yethu. I remember Sundowns brother, but angeke ngiceme iSundowns, angeke ngifuna ukugcwalisela ukuthi iSundowns enzani. Understand? Siwine as a team.
Yeah.
Siya phambili as a team. Sisaya kude abantu bayaqala siyahlukana manje la. Njengoba simile so. Sasifuna ukuhlukana la kanti sisaya ku World Cup.
Yeah.
Stibo, mark my words. Abantu abayekele ukukhuluma izinto ebangasi understand kwabona.
Ngiyabamba Rootman.
Ngiyaphuma.
Man of the match.
Ngiyaphuma.
Stibo.